My work is done. Now I watch. Your parents and I built this factory with our hands and tears. Now it is yours.
Mama, we are not ready. You are the leader.
I had no one to hand me anything. You have us. We will step back so you can step up together.
Mama, the factory made 1 million last year. This year we will make 3. This is the moment. Do we take the money or do we keep what our grandmothers bled for?
They did not suffer so we could sell. They suffered so we could stand. This factory is not for sale. It is an inheritance.
Great-great-grandma, tell me the story of the factory again.
That is the inheritance, not the building, the spirit.